He taonga te wai, water is precious. We're all responsible for using it wisely, caring for our water sources and disposing of wastewater carefully. The government has a new set of water reforms coming. It's called Local Water Done Well. These reforms will transform New Zealand's water delivery services. Along with everyone else, we as a district have some big decisions to make. Taupō District Council currently provides drinking water, wastewater and stormwater services around our district. We have 17 different drinking water schemes and 11 wastewater treatment plants. At Taupō alone, we process an average of 6.5 million litres of wastewater every day. Over the years, we've invested in our water assets and our council water teams are doing a great job. We'll be coming to you in March to ask for your thoughts on the future of our water services delivery. Stay up to date at taupo.govt.nz/water.